Hey guys, this is Patrick Powers. This video is for AOC2, week 4, so the last project of the July class 2012. So what we're looking at is a very similar project to week 3, however the main thing is that we've added the gesture recognizers to the particular labels, as well as being able to save the data that actually goes into the date planner, so that when the application is rerun, those same events and dates are actually loaded again into the actual the text view. So going through the code, here's the header file for the main view controller. Just set up a couple outlets for the UI text fill, as well as the label down here. Also setting up the gesture recognizer for the right swipe. And then this event string is what actually gets thrown into the text area, as well as the onSave, which is a little bit different since it was previously on the second view. Now it's on this view, and it's got a little bit of a different functionality. And then the .m file, basically initially, setting up the right swiper, also setting up the default data for the view controller. I'm sorry, the text view. And then going down, actually using and creating that function for the right UI swipe gesture recognizer, and allowing it to show the second view. We also have, again, the name string. Basically, it did close. That's the previous or the other view, the add event view that I have. Once that view closes, it grabs the information and places it into the text view. And then we also have, this is the new function from this week, also the onSave, so it actually gets the strings from the text view and then saves them as the defaults. So that once you reopen it, the NSUser defaults loads up again. The XIB file, pretty straightforward. Save button, label, the UI text view, again the label for the swipe right. For the add event, again the .h file, here go ahead and swipe right. The UI text view outlet, as well as the date picker outlet. I have a couple different strings picking out the date, picking the current event, and then the combination of the two to actually be able to pass back. Got the delegate that's passing information back to the first view. And then an IB outlet for the UI label, which is the swipe left label on this side. Again, we have the close keyboard button, as well as the on change detecting when this actually changes around. The .m file, again, very similar to the previous weeks. The main thing here, the main difference is just moving the closed keyboard button down does the same functionality, and really it's just adding that left swipe gesture recognizer to close out this view and then actually open up that previous view and collecting this information. So just showing, I know I just kind of came to this one, but let's see, Mom's birthday. It's on August 20th, and then swipe left. There we go. Save it. It actually gets saved in there. You can go ahead and go to the settings, close that down. Oops. There we go. Nope, just kidding. Probably did something wrong. Alright, let's go. Load it up again, and there it is, Mom's birthday for August 20th. So, what I could have done better, looking around, I think some other people, I have this editable right now, so you can delete it out, but other people had that clear field on the top, which is good. Also some additional animations, which I really like. So, just expanding on what we've already created to make it a little bit better is definitely what we could have, or I could have done. And that's it. So all done with this class. On to the next one. Definitely had a good time. Thanks so much.